Hello, welcome to That's Easy channel. I've got another tutorial video for you, but before we dive into it, please make sure to subscribe so you won't miss any new tutorials and you'll help the channel grow. Thank you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Clock Widget in Windows 10. To do that, we have to first get a tool called Rainmeter. So we type Rainmeter into Google search and we choose the first result, which is rainmeter.com, Next, we have to click on the download button to download the software. Then we find the file and we start the installation. In the installation process, we choose the standard option. And then, in the next window, we click on the install button. We wait a moment until it's done, and then we choose to turn the Rainmeter on. Now there are some windows that are going to pop up, so if you want to close them, then right-click on them and choose Unload Skin. Now we gotta head back to Google to download skins for the Clock widget. So inside Google search, we have to type visual skins. Then from the results, we choose the Rainmeter skins. Inside this page, we choose the Rainmeter clocks. As you can see, there are some different widgets to choose from. Just click the one you want, and inside the page, click on the download button. Now, when it gets downloaded, you have to install it. And after it's done, you have to go to the taskbar and click on the Rainmeter icon. And inside the skins, you'll have the name of the Clock widget you just downloaded. To make it appear on the desktop, you mark the one you want and click on Load. As you can see, the widget appeared in the background. You can move it freely and leave anywhere you want on desktop. So this is it. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you next time.